Jordan brand. Y'all trying to get crafty on us? I guess. YouTube family. What is going on, y'all, man? Craft season is in the air, man. Pull out y'all arts and crafts and all that good stuff and join the party, man. It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today with another early look, in-hand look of a upcoming shoe that is set to release in June, man. So y'all always know your boy Jay be a month ahead. I try to be, I try to be ahead of the game, man. So I do have a shoe that is releasing on June 17th. Retail price is $210, which is, man, I don't know, bro. That $210 is kind of starting to weigh in on me. It's starting to sink in, man. I'm starting to see a lot of shoes retail at $210. I easily see this shoe could have been retailing at $190, man, but bruh, we'll see, man. I think that's a part of the reason too why a lot of shoes are not selling out the way that they used to, man, because they keep rising, man. But anyway, before we dive into it, if this is your first time stopping through, I need for y'all to stick around, man. How you do that? You smash that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button, join the fam. We are approaching 123K, man. That's amazing, y'all. I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. New members, old members, OG members, man. Y'all know I truly appreciate all that y'all do for your boy. Your boy is probably gonna put something together here soon in the near future to go ahead and give back again. It's been about what, like 4 months or so since I gave back. I think the last pair was it's been about 2 or 3 months because I gave away Cement Reimagined with the homie Bird Kicks, man. But something might be popping up soon, man. I truly appreciate y'all. But other than that, make sure that you guys are traveling in the right way. Whew, yes. Bang! The Soul Premise way, man. I do have a Luciano leather bag right here, man. Brand new, dead stock, if y'all want to call it that, man. But brand new, fresh, smelling like some brand new leather, you know what I'm saying? And this is the monogram bag, which does have that luxurious premium style look to it. You got that Soul Premise and that gold right there, man. But besides the look of the bag, it does pack a punch when it comes to what it can hold, man. This bag right here itself can hold up to 5 pairs of shoes. If you're a size 9 like myself, you probably can squeeze 6 in here, man. But it does have a compartment right here at the bottom where you can put around 2 pairs of shoes, size 9, or 1 size 14, 15, whatever that is, man. But you do got storage space on the front, storage space below that. You got more storage space right there. You got 3 different sections, man. So 3 different sections that you can hold things in. Let me just pop open one of them real quick. As you can see, you can store a pair of shoes at the top, a pair of shoes at the bottom. You can put more accessories, socks, and other goodies right there on that top area. And then you do have those 2 other compartments, man. So a mega storage bag, and you can get it at a great price, man. If you just scroll down to the description, use that link, and then put in promo code JayTheSneakerGuy, man, it will save you almost half off of one of these good travel bags or everyday bags, whatever you want to use it for, man. So take advantage before the prices go up. I'm telling y'all, look, I've been saying it a lot in my recent videos because I think it's coming soon, man. So go ahead and grab you one today. You won't be disappointed. And other than that, man, let's dive into a early look into June, man. Let's get into it. Appreciate that. But wait, before we jump to June right here, man, did anybody cop these? I see that these are going for pretty much below retail right now, man. The Air Jordan 1 Bang KO, the Kentucky colorway, man. KO is not, Jordan brand, or not even Jordan, because KOs aren't Jordans, are they? Nah, KOs are just Nike shoes, I want to say. But these, not people's strong area. People do not really gravitate towards the KOs, but this is not a bad colorway in my opinion. I think that this should have just, I don't know, man, just silhouette in itself, man. They should have just left the silhouette in the vault. But I think that colorway would be dope on an Air Jordan 1 low. But it is what it is, man. And in other news too, man, who hit on the shop drop, man? Appreciate everybody who watched my early look of the Spider-Man joints right there, man. Who checked out and got that W during today's shop drop at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I took a L. However, your boy got people that always come through, man. So I might just have a in-hand look for y'all tomorrow. Who knows? I might have one for y'all, man. So stay tuned for that, man. But I know y'all are ready to see the shoe, man. So let's jump right to that. All right, y'all, we back. We in June. Bang, man. So here is the box right here. As you can see, it does look like it has cement printing all over the box, man. This is a dope packaging, bro. Dope cement print all over. And then you got the circle with the red jump, man. And then around that, you got Air Jordan Flight Club written around that. So that's it for the box right there, man. Size tag on this shoe reads Air Jordan 5 Cinco. Color blocking is light Orwood brown, safety orange, man. So we got that on the size tag. When you pop it open, oh yeah, this is a size 9 too. This is a size 9. However, man, I don't know if I'm gonna keep these. So if you are interested in getting this size 9 from your boy, man, hit me up at JTSG Closet on Instagram. You probably can get this pair from me, man. So just hit me up over there and I might could, you know, let you get it for the low, you know. But popping open the box lid, you do get a QC sticker right there on that side. I don't see a lot number, man. No lot number, none of that good stuff, man. But the shoes, man, we do have the Air Jordan 5 Crafts. Bang!
Open for business, got drip for feet. JTSG, fly like a fleet. Stay with the heat, no need to speak. No need to speak, rock on the beat like Muhammad Ali. J with the 3, he gon' ball like Kyrie. Clear skies, everything is Ari, so don't bother, everything is on me. Yeah, yeah. Jay Tarantino, the family hero.
So there they go right there, man. The Air Jordan 5 Crafts. Like I said, man, Jordan Brand trying to get crafty on us, man. There is a white and green sticker. White and green sticker right there in the back. Didn't see that, but it does come with that. And let's get them out, man. Let's get them out. Let y'all get my first thoughts on them. They not bad. They not bad. They're better than what I expected and what I seen from pictures, man, because your boy Jay did see like early pictures and early pairs of these floating around, man, but it just never did it for me. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't a fan of the pictures that I seen, man. So let me let it sink in real quick. And yeah, man. Air Jordan 5 Crafts, June 17th. Bang! Here they go right here, man. As you can see, that all over earth tone, like a sand. It got like a sand type of color, a beach sand, you know what I'm saying? They got that beach sand type of color to it, man. But it does have a lot of different you know, material. It's crafty. That's all I can say, man. You do look like you have canvas on here. You got a rub down leather, and you got some suede on here. Like, you got quite a few different things on here, man. But here they go. They do come in a, I want to say a full family size, and I want to say, but maybe I want to hold that. I'm not too sure, so let me not say that as of right now. But not a bad shoe, not a bad shoe. Like I said, you do get your brown hits right there on the tongue. And yeah, let me know, man. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. Nice white outsole with the clear translucent hits on it. But these, they alright, bro. They alright, but I don't think they're worth $210. That's just my opinion, man. Take a look at the shark teeth. You do got like that cement print with the speckles going throughout it, man. They just, you know, they not a bad shoe. I actually, to be honest with y'all, this is just my personal opinion, and this will just let you know how much I'm not a fan of the cement printing all over a shoe. My favorite silhouette is the Air Jordan 1, and if you guys checked out my Air Jordan 1 cement video, I said I didn't like those, and I would say that I like these over those. Just my opinion, man. Let me know how y'all feel about that, man. Y'all like the cement ones or y'all like these better, man? Just give me y'all thoughts. But I think I would take these over those cement ones. That's just my personal opinion, man. But not a bad pair of Air Jordan 5s. The laces, though, the laces, we could have did something different, man. I ain't gonna hold you. We could have did something different, as well as they didn't give us no extra. We could have definitely added some safety orange laces, man. I think that would have probably bought the shoe out, man. If we would put some safety orange laces in this shoe, gave it a nice bright pop off of that tongue, bro, I think that would have been really a difference maker, man. I might gotta throw these on feet just so I can see what they look like with orange laces, you know what I'm saying? But we'll see. You know, I still might get rid of them because I don't see myself wearing these, man, especially for the price that I paid for them. I'm like, I'm good, bro. Like, man, hey, make sure y'all smash that like button for your boy Jay hitting y'all with this content, man. I go out and I spend my hard-earned money just to show y'all these early looks, man. So make sure y'all smash that like button, but also give me your honest thoughts and opinions on the Air Jordan 5 Crafts. Like I said, June 17th is a release date, man. June seems to be a pretty steady month. We do have the Air Jordan 6 Toros that is supposed to release in June as well, man. I do have an early look at that. If you haven't checked it out already, go ahead and check that out. But let me know, man. Let me know. One more quick 360, like I said, and it is a pattern, man. If y'all look at that midsole area, I'm at the The toe box area, it does have like some sort of pattern on that canvas material, man. So of course you got the white Cajun on the side, and there's that like frayed up leather that I was telling y'all about on the back. It's not a bad shoe, man. You got your gray interior sock liner, so it's not bad, you know. I'm definitely no questions, hands down, I'm definitely liking, of course, the 4s. This is actually one of the best craft sneakers to release, man. We've seen Air Jordan low crafts, we've seen mid crafts, but I think the 4s are the best looking crafts, man. Look how the hat go off it, bro. Look how the hat go off it. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, but I still haven't even busted mine out yet, man. Still dead stock, man. I need to bring these out, man. In due time I will, but here's the 4s, here's the 5s. I think it's night and day. I ain't gonna hold you. I would have personally taken the same exact color blocking and put it on the 5. I think that would have probably made this shoe a better looking shoe, but they got crafty with it. There's nothing else to say. And if you notice, y'all, on all the craft shoes, they do have something different from the normal silhouette. So of course you got the patch up there on the top, you got the suede on the tongue, you got the different type of cuts, like you don't have that cut on a regular Jordan 4. So it's living up to its name, man. And the same thing with this shoe, it's not like your typical Air Jordan 5s. Give or take, it doesn't have like any extra like cuts or anything. It's just the materials are all over the place, man. So I think that's where they got crafty with this one. But y'all let me know, man. $210, June 17th. What is the verdict, man? Y'all talk to me down below in the comment section. But here they go. They're not bad, man. They're not bad. Earth tone color. You can throw them on with something just clean. Be fly, rock out with it. The more I'm looking at them, the more they're kind of growing on me. But I just still don't think I'm gonna keep for the personal. But y'all let me know. Air Jordan 5 crafts, first look right here. Let me know if I need to hit y'all with that movie, with the on feet, with the lace swaps. Smash that like button. If this video gets 2K, bro. If this video gets 2K, I will keep them. I will throw them on feet and I will swap them out. We'll go orange and we might do white. We'll do something else, man. We'll bring them out, man. But 2,000 likes. Let me know y'all want to see it. We'll make it happen. Other than that, y'all stay blessed. If y'all want to see that Spider-Man video tomorrow too, man, y'all just let me know. Talk to your boy Jay. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.